What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2022 Dodge Durango V6 model, and if you're considering buying one, it's a good car overall. This is a company vehicle, but I actually own a 2017 Durango RT, so see my playlist link for more videos about that car, which I wouldn't say it's been perfect by any means, but it has been good and overall dependable. If you're curious though, now this vehicle is used mostly with city driving, mostly 40 miles per hour, very little highway miles. And there's your average miles per gallon, 15.8 on a V6 engine. And it's not driven hard either, I wouldn't say. This is a shuttle car carrying customers to and from the shop. And so it's definitely not driven hard. It's driven very gently, actually, and there's your mileage. So yeah, my Durango gets more highway miles than this, and it's averaging 19 or so because there's a lot of highway miles. But if I do the similar type of driving in my own RT V8, it also gets 16 at the most. Now it also has a Diablo Sport tune on it, so see my video about that, which helps the mileage as well as overall performance. It does work for sure. But anyway, just thought people who are considering one of these would like to know. It always depends on what type of driving you do. And like as they say, your mileage may vary. But good car overall. Check out my channel. We've got a couple thousand videos on my channel of all kinds of stuff. You'd be amazed at what's on there. So like, subscribe, follow. If you own one of these, if you'd like to put a comment underneath about your experience with it, please do. Otherwise, y'all have a great morning, and we will see y'all soon.